we're gonna be learning how to make Discord bots. And okay, so the first thing you do is you go to YouTube. You go to Firefox, and oh, yeah, so you go to Firefox, and you go to your developer portal. So you type Discord developer portal, and then the first link, like this one. So this is a link, many bots and many applications already made. And if you want to create your own application or bot, then you're gonna have to click on this right here, new application, right? And you can name it whatever. And now I'll just name it real. Oh, I made a mistake like usual. Just wipe that out. And this is a description. You can do whatever. You don't need to do it unnecessary. You can save changes right here. This is gonna be the bot ID. This is a secret, which I'm not gonna share, but I don't think you really need this ever. And then the next one is, so this is an application, not a bot. So you'd have to create the bot inside this application. So you go to bot and you add the bot. You add a bot. Yes, and after you add the bot, you either put like you put a profile picture in there. And it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna leave it like that. But otherwise, you just go here and then you go here and put a profile picture in there. This is gonna be the bot token. Um, as you and this is secret, so don't give this or share this to anybody, or they can access this bot and do whatever they want to the bot, and like you won't be able to stop it. So um, don't ever share this, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'll share it. I'm gonna change the token and later on anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So if something weird is happening to your bot and it's doing stuff that it's not supposed to, you can, for one, just regenerate the token. So you see, this is my current token. So you can just regenerate a different token, and then you see the token just changed, right? So you can always create new ones and stuff like that. So you can always regenerate your token. You don't have to try this because this is not going to be a token after this video. So you can copy it right here. It's just a quick way to copy it. I'll do that later. And then you wanna toggle both of these because it just makes it better. It's easier for your bot so it can actually do stuff. But if your bot gets popular in the future, you might need verification and whitelisting and stuff in the future. So yeah. And then this is a bot permission calculator. We will see why we would use this later on, anyways. It's just a we don't actually need to use this though. So we've created the bot. It's so well. You're probably gonna ask, how am I gonna invite it to a server now? So to invite it to a server, we have to use something called OAuth 2. So this is how we connect our Discord bots to our servers, right? So what is this application? The scope of this application is a bot, right? And you remember this bot permission calculator? So in this case, why we would use this is, let's say I wanted to give bot administrator perms. So then the permissions integer is 8. So I would copy this and replace this number here with 8, and that would be my permissions for my bot, right? But Discord has it right here anyways, so like I'm just gonna give mine administrator terms, and you see it automatically changed it to 8 because I chose administrator. You can give it terms whatever you want, but I'm just gonna do administrator because it's easier. And then you can copy and paste. You can see I copied this link and I pasted it in here, so you can copy it. You can do that too. And after you did this, um, you can so this is a tutorial bot. You can add it to a server. For now, we just add it to the coding help server. Continue. We give it administrator terms, and we authorize. Now, not a robot, obviously. So it's authorized. So now, if we go back to Discord, and let me pull it up into this screen real quick. So if we open up Discord now, it should say that tutorial bot joined. Now this bot is not going to be online. See, it's offline because we haven't gotten an IDE and we haven't coded anything yet. So this is still offline, and we'll see how to make it online soon.